Hello, yo, what's going on, guys and girls? It's your boy Cam Legend, and in this video I'm going to be speaking about the alchemical element fire. Now, fire is the root of all alchemy. Fire is symbolic for manifestation. If you look at the symbol for fire, it's an upward triangle, and this reality is based on a pyramid, in the sense that we always are trying to elevate. There's always a pyramid scheme to reality, if that's social status or going up the ladder of life, career, your higher self. So we've come here to transform, to be a better version of ourselves. That is one of the fundamental reasons we're here on earth, is to create, to procreate in whatever way we see that to be. So fire is a terrestrial manifestation of the sun. We have an inner light. We are a microcosm. We have the ability to create here on earth and leave a spiritual footprint as we ascend. So what we have to realize is that the Akashic Records is a major data bank, and we leave a carbon footprint here on earth. So in order to manifest, working with the element of fire is a given. So let's get more into this. Being a fired up individual is being courageous, strong, passionate, persevering, relentless. And this comes from this inner light, this inner spark, this creative spark to go out and do things. Ways to activate this is by taking action, exercising, staying fit, because when you get up and move, take action, this is a positive thing. We see that the triangle is going upwards, which is symbolic for positivity. So as we do this and we activate this inner light, it means we're going out, we're getting it. This biologically means that our blood is flowing. We're moving, our cells are activating. This then activates parts of our mind and our cells to know that we're doing something. This then puts our body in a state of consciousness to know that there's tasks to be done, there's projects to be done, and your overall happiness will rise also. And we have to balance this energy of fire, because too much fire can come with frustration, because you may be too dominant. As somebody who used to go to the gym every day, I never wanted to take a rest day. I always was focused on my goals, to grow, to get better. And this can become toxic. And there's a thin line between being passionate and obsessive. The chakra that fire is associated with is the solar plexus, aka the sun. And this chakra is just below the heart chakra, and it could be known as your ego. And on this YouTube channel, we don't demonize anything, because the ego is seen as a negative thing now. And the ego exists because we exist, and we would not exist if we did not have an ego. But the ego is definitely associated with the physical plane. But we're here on the physical plane to create and to get above the chakra of the solar plexus, which is the heart, and onwards. So the ego is misconstrued. Most people have an overactive ego or an underactive ego. And obviously we need to have this in harmony. So exercising will definitely get you to your heart chakra, because the heart chakra is to do with health. The color for the heart chakra is green. If you eat your greens, you'll definitely be in the heart space. So this is how we allow the elevation to occur naturally. And subconsciously, if you want to activate your inner fire, using candles and meditating, gazing at the candle, will definitely activate this inner light. We call this TRATAKA, which involves focusing the eyes on the flame, which improves your concentration, your third eye, your focus. It improves your eyesight, your vision, your memory, willpower, patience, productivity, calms the mind and inner peace, improves your clarity, decision making, and deepens your sleep. Your intuition and clairvoyance definitely rises. And I'm not just saying this for the sake of this video. It's something I do, and I've definitely seen the benefits from this. It definitely keeps you focused on your goal, tunnel vision, distractions don't really get the best of you, and things of this nature. And doing this in silence and putting your phone on the timer, maybe for 10, 11, 12 minutes, do it before you go to bed or in the morning or whenever, will definitely keep you focused, because after 2 minutes of looking at a flame, you're now activating the right side of your mind. And this associates all the benefits that I've already mentioned. And your logical mind has to tap out. So these are the things you can do to really lock in with what you need to manifest subconsciously. Element of fire gives you the courage to go out and do new things, go new places, experience new parts of life, experience new areas of life. And this is what keeps you going in this matrix. Going on adventures, seeing new places, traveling, experiencing life is your birthright. If you don't, you then become autonomous. Life becomes boring. You become sluggish, lazy, lack of self-worth. These are all traits of an underactive solar plexus. The direction of fire is south. So if you face south with a compass, you can lock in with these energies. The color of fire is orange and red, and I'll say yellow too. Red, orange, yellow are symbolic for your 3 lower chakras. So if you focus on these colors, if you want to subconsciously activate your inner light, this will help your ascension process. The astrological signs associated with fire: Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Aries is known as the ram, which is taking action based on your desires, your passion. The energies of Leo is about your ego, confidence, pride, strength, inner strength. A lot of athletes are Leos. And Sagittarius is about traveling, abundance. And when we talk about dimensions, we have the parasagittal plane, which is the below, and then we have the sagittal plane, which is looking ahead. So a lot of Sagittariuses have a good vision on where they want to go in life and the things they want to manifest. So the easiest way to work with fire is to do something physical. Physical energy is linked with the fire, and it's a nuance between the element of earth and fire. Fire is the inner activation of taking action, and earth is the practical, methodical, analytical side of taking action. So fire and earth are very similar in nature. So in order to manifest in this physical reality, it requires the energies of fire and earth working in harmony. You may have the idea, which would be the element of air. You've got the thought, you've got the vision through the ethers, through the air. But nothing can happen if you don't take action. Nothing will happen if you're not doing the work. So in that nature, fire is a masculine energy. It's about your will, your energy, your life force. Fire has the ability to create and destroy. And we can look at destroying in a positive light, destroying the old version of yourself and transform into a better version of yourself. So the only way you can do that is through expressing yourself, having faith, enthusiasm, having a driving force behind your actions. These actions ain't based on, oh, I feel like doing this today. It's an inner knowing of what you want to do in life. Being passionate about your dreams and aspirations. Doing something like an ikigai, which is doing something that you love, what the world needs, and what you can get paid for, which you're good at, is a way of finding out your true desires, is a way of finding out your true mission here on earth, along with doing a natal chart as well. But using this guide, you'll definitely find what you love, and then you would soon see if you're good at it and make it a profession. So if you're somebody who works with crystals, red crystals are usually associated with passion, energetic action, and things of this nature. So Jasper is definitely a good crystal to work with. It's a stone of health and passion and brings the courage to face unpleasant tasks and to rectify unjust situations. It provides vivid dream recalls and is a powerful stone for those who work with earth energies to make a deep connection with earth spirits and guardians of the lays and sacred sites. So a lot of our stagnation comes from the fact that we don't want to stand up to this reality. We all do this. There's some things we don't want to address. And working with the root chakra and the lower three will have you addressing a lot of things on this physical plane. And as you rise this energy, these lower primordial energies, you then get to the light and you can speak your truth, which is the throat chakra, and feel no way about opinions. Yes, as humans, we vibrate and fluctuate in energies. So if somebody catches you on the wrong day, you could either go back and forth with them, which is meaningless, or you can let it get to you. We're human at the end of the day. And the word hue means color, spectrum of light. So don't be hard on yourself. For the most part, if you're able to just observe this reality and understand that it is what it is, you won't be affected by it. Some people get affected by a certain situation at the start of the week and it affects their whole mood for the rest of the week. This is because people don't meditate, they don't let go, they don't allow, they don't breathe from the root chakra to the spine because it's not taught to us. This is knowledge we have to find out by ourselves. So master this primordial energy. Understand that we have to be fired up, but we also need to cool things down. This is spiritual alchemy, mental transmutation. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, comment. Check my services in the description. I have a lot to offer. Thank you. Peace.